What's up, gals and pals? It's your boy Vino, and welcome back to 60-Second Cocktails. Ladies and gentlemen, it is beginning to look a lot like Christmas. That's right, folks, and that can only mean one thing. It is time to announce the Christmas Martini 2022 challenge. That's right, folks, me and my boy Rob from Rob's Home Bar and David from Booze on the Rocks are back at it again, and we are challenging you, the cocktail community, to make a Christmas martini. Okay, so whether you're on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, MySpace, Friendster, AOL Messenger, Snapchat, whatever the case might be, you are invited to share with us a Christmas martini idea. Right now, there are 3 simple rules, right? The first one is the obvious one. It must be served in a martini glass, right? So that's the easy one, right? Now, the second one is that it must be festive, right? So whatever festive means to you, whether it's the color or the ingredients or the garnish or all 3 of them, whatever it might be, just make sure that the cocktail is festive, right? And then the third and final one, and probably the most important one, is to make sure you use the hashtag Christmas Martini 2022. That way we can find your submissions and we can share them and other people could find them, and everyone just gets to show off their beautiful cocktail holiday creations. All right, folks? So that's it. It is so fun. We do this every year. It's always a big hit, and we really look forward to seeing what your submissions are this year, right, folks? Now, I'm gonna get things started because you know what? Why wait till tomorrow? What you can do today, right, folks? So I'm gonna hit you guys off with my Christmas Martini entry, and it is called a Christmas Rush. So make sure you stick around, because we're gonna boogie down. All right, folks, so like I said, I am going to start things off for the Christmas Martini 2022 challenge with a little something I like to call the Christmas Rush. All right, folks, let us look at what is in the saucer. Now, the first thing you're gonna need, unfortunately, cannot be rushed, all right? This is gonna take about a month to make, but hey, patience is a virtue, right? So this is an apple cinnamon infused bourbon, all right? We're gonna need 2 ounces of this. Now, the way you make this, very, very simple. Take your favorite mason jar, take your favorite apples, peel them, chop them, put them inside the jar all the way to the top, and then you put a cinnamon stick or 2, depends on how much you like cinnamon, and then you fill it up with your favorite bourbon. You know, you can really use whatever whiskey you want, but you fill it up, and then you put it away for about 4 to 6 weeks. Give it a sippy sip here and there, just to see if it's taking on the flavors that you like, and then once you're done, you have this amazing aromatic, super cinnamony, appley flavored whiskey. This stuff is fantastic. What's great about it, you know, it doesn't take on too much of the residual sugar of the apples and stuff like that. It's sweet, but not too sweet. This stuff is excellent, right, folks? So we're gonna need 2 ounces of our apple. Oh my God, the flavor, the smells, the aromas off of this. It's Christmas, it's Christmas. It's 2 ounces of our apple cinnamon infused bourbon, right? There you go. Now I got a little spill there, but that's all right. Mason jars ain't exactly easy pouring, right? Then we're gonna want 3/4 ounce of our lemon juice, all right, folks? 3/4 ounce. Here you go. And then another really kind of seasonal flavor that we all love is maple syrup. So we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of maple syrup, right? All right, beautiful. So that's gonna add some nice texture to the cocktail, give it some viscosity as well, so really, really delicious. Now, what goes better with apple and cinnamon than maple, right? Just all works together. Very fall Christmas flavors, right? Then we're gonna do 2 to 3 dashes of black walnut bitters. And this is gonna add a little more of that texture, of that kind of maple texture, and more of those fall flavors. Now, if you have another fall bitters that you might wanna use, maybe like ginger or something like that, you know, give that a shot too, why not? You know, split the base, whatever you wanna do. 1, 2, 3, all right? There you go. And now we're just gonna add some ice to our shaker. Okay, folks, and then we're gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, folks, I think we shook that up enough. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our Martini glass, which is obviously the main vessel here, which has been chilling like a villain. And we're gonna fill this bad boy up, all right? So let's go ahead and crack open our shaker, and let's do it. All right, folks, it looks like we got all we can get out of our shaker. Ooh, man, the nose on this is absolutely fantastic. This smells so good. All right, folks, so then all we're gonna do is we're just gonna, you can garnish this with whatever you want. You wanna use a cinnamon stick, you wanna use an apple slice. I'm gonna use a little, I don't know if I'm gonna clip it or just dip it. Let's see, what do you say, folks? Dip it or clip it? We're gonna dip it. I got a little rosemary here. I'm just gonna throw it in there like that, and kind of like a Christmas tree. Maybe I'll use the clip here so it's not floating away like that. There you go. How you like that? There we go. See, there you go, huh? Anyway, folks, there it is. My Christmas Martini 2022 challenge entry, the Christmas Rush. All right, folks, now let's go ahead and give this bad boy a sippy sip. I gotta tell you, this is a very pretty looking cocktail, and I already know it's delicious. I've had it before, and it is fantastic. All right, cheers and happy holidays to you all. Oh, like I said, the nose is so good. You do get some of that rosemary. What you're really getting is that apple cinnamon, guys. It smells so good. Oh my God. That is unbelievable, folks. That is so good. The apple and the cinnamon obviously play up front, but the maple syrup is so delicious. With the walnut bitters, it really plays on the back end, has that viscosity to really fill out the cocktail. This is so good. It tastes like the holidays. It tastes like Christmas. It tastes like Christmas Eve even, you know what I mean? This is so delicious, folks. Oh. Oh, cheers, folks. This is so good. Anyway, folks, look, one more sip for vino. Oh, I look forward to seeing what you guys hit us off with on the Christmas Martini Challenge. In the past few years, we have had some really awesome challenges. Again, make sure you guys use the hashtag Christmas Martini 2022 so we can find them. Tag me, tag Rob, tag Dave in your Instagram posts or your YouTube posts or whatever post you make, so we can see them and we can share them, all right, folks? So that's it. If you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share it with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.